The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Addition of Fractions, Example 156, 11 by 12 plus 76, 7 by 8. In this problem, let us deal with the fractions where whole numbers have varied digits. The fraction of the first number has 2 digits in the numerator as well as the denominator, and the fraction of the second number having a single digit numerator and denominator. Let us find out the least common denominator for the fractions. The denominator of 11 by 12 is 12 and 7 by 8 is 8. For 12 and 8, 24 is the least common denominator. Set the common denominator 24 in the extreme right of the abacus. That is, place the 2 of the common denominator in the tens column and 4 in the units column. What is the whole number of the first fraction? It is 156. Set 156 in the section meant for the whole numbers, that is 1 in the 9th column from the extreme right of the abacus and 5 to the right of 1 in the 8th column and 6 in the 7th column. With this, add the whole number of the second fraction 76, that is, you have to add 7 with the 5 first. You can't do that, and therefore add 1 in the higher column and subtract 3 in the lower column. That is, subtract 5 in the upper abacus and add 2 in the lower abacus. Next, we have to add 6 with the 6, which is not possible, and therefore add 1 in the higher column and subtract 2 in the lower column. That is, subtract 5 in the upper abacus and add 1 in the lower abacus. The added value becomes 232. Now, take the fraction part of the first fraction. It is 11 by 12. Set the numerator 11 in the extreme left of the abacus, skip one column to the right of it and set the denominator 12. By keeping your left hand on the 12 and right hand on the common denominator 24, ask how many 12s in 24. By saying 2, you clear the 12 and set 2. With these 2, multiply the numerator 11 and set 22 in this section meant for the numerator. That is, 2 of the 22 should be set in the 4th column and the higher 2 in the 5th column from the extreme right of the abacus. Now clear the numbers set in the extreme left. Now set the numerator of the second fraction in the extreme left of the abacus. That is, your numerator of the second fraction 7 should appear in the first column from the extreme left and the denominator 8 in the third column from the extreme left. By placing your left hand on the 8 and right hand on the common denominator 24, ask how many 8s in 24. By saying 3, clear the 8 and set 3 in the same column. Now multiply 3 with the 7 and add 21 with the already available number 22. That is, 2 should be added with 2, that is making 4. 1 should be added with 2, which is making it 3. The total in the numerator is 43. In this result, you get a fraction in such a way that the numerator is always less than the denominator. In this problem, your numerator value is 43 and the denominator value is 24. Now ask how many 24s in 43? By saying 1, add the number 1, which is nothing but 24 divided by 24 in the whole number section, 232. Now it becomes 233. At the same time, 24 must be subtracted from the numerator 43. That is 2 subtracted from 4. And for subtracting 4 from 3, you have to subtract 1 in the higher column, and to compensate that you have to add 6 in the lower column. Now you have 19 in the numerator section and 24 in the denominator section, which is in the right form. Now check all the three sections. You have 233 as the whole number, 19 as the numerator, and 24 as the denominator. That is, the answer is 233 19 by 24.